Hello friends, today we will see how can we get back our sidebar in which we have Project Navigator and tasks and messages if we don't see in our Quartus. So even if I open the project, it will still not show us the any utility, or we can say any messages. And even if I open the design file, we will not be able to see any sidebar because they have been mistakenly closed by the user. So how can I get them back? So just go to the view, and in the utility windows you can see the Project Navigator and other listed over here, right? So when I click on Project Navigator from the utility windows, I get the Project Navigator with the hierarchy and with the files that I want to see, right? If I want to see some other compile options and synthesize options, so I will have to go to the view again, and I have to just select the tasks from there, right? So in this way I will get the tasks list. Then if I again want to see the messages that are on the lower side of the screen, so what can I do? I can just go to the utility windows again and just click on the messages. It will show us the messages window that are to be displayed, right? So that's all. That's the, we can say, process of getting the our sidebars again if we get them vanished by any mistake, or we can say any accident. So thanks for watching.